Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can connect Twitch to Discord on PC. First of all, you need to install Discord on your PC and log in with your email ID and password. After that, you need to click on user settings. After that, you need to click on connections. This is a Twitch symbol. Click on Twitch. Open this on Google Chrome. I am already logged in on Twitch, so I just need to click on authorize. It's showing connecting. You can see connected your Twitch account to Discord. Now go back to Discord and you can see my ID showing here. So it is very easy and you can easily connect Twitch to your Discord account. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.